Okay, so let's take a look at how to generate box plots in R. So in R, a box plot is created by using the box plot, then parentheses, put your vector, where v is a vector numbers here. So for example, say we have this vector. This is the one from actually the practice quiz 3 number 1. So if we want to do a box plot of this guy, we just go box plot D. Okay, so let's go to R and run this. So I can copy this and we can type in R command. So there it is. Okay. Right, so I'm signed in. Let's get rid of this. So running this guy. Okay, so scrolling down. Sometimes the scroll bar doesn't show, so in this example you can see there's no scroll bar showing. What you do is you press on up here and click about and say close. You can see now the scroll bar showed up. Okay, you can scroll down and there's a box plot. You can see it's a vertical box plot. You can open a new window here. Minimize here. There it is. So there's a box plot, and that's the same as the one we did on the practice quiz. Okay, so let's go back now. So note we got a vertical box plot doing this. So by default, the box plot is always vertical. So if you want to do a horizontal box plot, you have to add horizontal true in your code. So we go back now to R and let's run this guy. We should get a horizontal one. Let's get rid of this. Paste it here. Run. So if I scroll on now, it's a horizontal box plot. All right. Let's keep going. Okay, so we can add more options to the box plot. So here's some examples. So here we're adding a main title. We're labeling the x-axis and the y-axis, and we're coloring the box plot. So let's go to R and run this guy. You can kind of see. Back up here. Get rid of this. So running this guy, you can see now it has some colors and stuff, our box plot, and it's label things, change me X, change me Y, box plot example on top. Okay, so let's keep going. Okay, so we can also graph multiple box plots on one graph. So here's how you do it. Just say you have two vectors M and D here. So this is the code that would graph both box plots together. So let's run this code so you can see. It's going to be horizontal box plots because I have a horizontal true here. Let's go up here. Get rid of this. Run this. Okay, scrolling down here. You see we have two box plots on the same graph. Okay, now let's take a look at practice quiz 3 number 3 question. So let's take a look at that now. Okay, so here's the practice quiz. So let's look at question 3 here. It says write the R code that would generate a side-by-side vertical box plots for the vectors S and M that has the following properties: main title, comparison of box plots, names the box plot of M as first box plot, the box plot for S as second one, colors M box plot orange and X box plot red. Okay, so let's first take our vectors here. So take my S vector, paste it here, and do the M one below. Okay, then we'll have our box plot function. So let me write that here. Okay, so we'll write our box plot here. So S and M, and we're going to label the main title as comparison of two box plots. So this guy here. Okay, names the box plot for box plot of M as first box plot and box plot of S as second one. So let's do that next. Okay, so I'll be using the names guy for this. So it'll be names.c and then parentheses. So the S is the first box plot here. So it's going to be the first one shown. So the S is going to correspond to whatever I put here in the first position. So the S is going to be the second one. So I'm going to say second box plot. Unless I want to change S and M around here, maybe I can do that here. Let's do that here. Okay, so changing S and M around. So now M is going to be in the first position, and I want to call the M one the first box plot. So let's do that. So first box plot, and the S one is going to we're going to call the second box plot. Okay, so we've done that, and now we need to do the colors next. So let's do that next. So to do that, we'll be using the COL. So COL equals C parenthesis, then I'm going to put our colors here. So the M box plot, we want to be orange. The M's the first one, so I'm going to be orange first one. Then we want the S box plot to be, see, where's the color for that one? Red, it looks like. So red. So we have that, and close parenthesis here. And now it says a vertical box plot, so there's no need to put horizontal true false here. So I think we're done then. Let's close this here, because by default it's going to make it a vertical box plot. Okay, so this should be the R code. It should have all the properties we need. We can go to R and run it to make sure it works. Let's go to run our script here. So let's paste it here and run it. Okay, scrolling down. Oops. There it is. Let's double click on it, open a new window here. So there's our two box plots. Okay, so it looks like it's working, so it worked. Okay, so we're done with question 3 in the practice quiz. So let's leave the video there. So we'll let the video run for a few seconds so you can see the R code here. You can pause the video and write the R code down for this question. Okay.